something very special for you, very simple.
Alright, step 1. You want to roll your dough in flour. Make sure it's evenly floured on both sides.
Melted butter, you want to add some minced garlic, and then in a clean bowl you want to add your cheese. So we got some pepper jack, and some mozzarella. And actually in your bowl with your butter, you want to add some chives, just to mix in there. Alright, so you're going to take your dough balls and toss them in the butter and garlic mixture. Plop it in the cheese, coat it with cheese, and then you're going to stick it in a greased and floured pan. You're going to do that process until all your balls are covered.
Alright, so this is what it looks like before we put it in the oven. As you see, it's cheese all over each ball. You can't really tell where the ball is, where they start and where they end, but that's alright. And the reason why it's so much cheese is because it's so much cheese and we rolled it around. And as you see, it's a little bit of butter on there, but that's alright. It's just all gonna cook when it goes in the oven.
You want to set your oven at 350 degrees and bake it for about 15-20 minutes or till it's golden brown.
Alright, after 20 minutes wait in the oven, it comes out looking like this. It smells delicious. I can't wait. But hope you enjoyed the video. Keep continuing to send us ideas and leave comments and liking and subscribe. Thank you.